Here's a cool little 1000X here I got done finally. This one's basically a total restoration. And other than the FM, I didn't mess with the FM, but everything in this thing has been redone. Sounds good. It's a cool unit. Everything works. Tape monitors work. FM muting works. Treble works. Bass works. Everything's good. Balance. Speaker. He was complaining also that the speaker switch was intermittent. I fixed that. It is no longer intermittent. So everything is good on this bad boy.